Hello everyone, today I will show you how can we use our computers. Set parameters. Easily print 3 store products. Connect with machinery through our computers. Just simply configure the parameters on the screen. Accurate cutting of a single piece of heatsink can be realized. Increase productivity. Click to enter the fancy cutter function module. This product requires 5 cutters to make. First turn on the switch of the cutter 5. Set stations 1 to 5. Station represents cylinder position. A total of 28 products. The total number of educational materials is set to 28. The cutter needs to be set in 2 sections, because the product needs to be cut in 2 places. The first target number is 1. Number of actions 7 times. Means cutter number 1 starts from the first slice. Cuts 7 pieces. The second target number is 26. Number of actions 3 times. Number 1 cutter, the second section starts from the 26th piece and cuts 3 pieces. The parameters of the cutter 234 are sequenced according to the actual model. Set the cutter 5 to be responsible for the action at the 28th slice. Complete a single product at a time. After all parameters are set, you can also preview the cutting position of the cutter. After the parameters are confirmed to be correct, just start the equipment to produce products. Our equipment is highly integrated and easy to operate. Real-time feedback adjustment. Advantages such as high-precision demolition. How to quickly adjust parameters. Debugging different types of products. Import the parameters to the USB stick and switch freely. What should I do if I encounter a cutting error? The system provides real-time error feedback and immediate adjustment through the cutter function module of our products. And simple and quick configuration parameters make product production more efficient and flexible. If you are interested, please contact us immediately. Experience the production revolution brought about by automation upgrades.